A lot to get to first at 5. We are starting with breaking news. 2 guns found at 2 schools today. The latest from a Montessori school in North Charleston coming up. But we start with a loaded gun found at Northwoods Middle School. It's the second time in 2 weeks police say they've recovered a loaded gun on campus. News 4's Jesse Klinger is live at the school tonight. Jesse, what have you learned?
Ashley, it's very troubling news for both parents and their children. Police responded to the school after receiving a 911 call reporting that a student had a gun. The school resource officers and other officers found the student with a loaded firearm concealed on their person, and there's no indication that they threatened anyone. Police don't say how old the student is, but they were taken into custody without incident and are charged with possession of a weapon on school property and minor in possession of a firearm. We spoke with one parent picking up their child from school about the concerns this raises for his child's safety.
It's a scary situation. This is a second one in a couple weeks. They had one at end of February. We've got same phone call, same text message.
In an email sent to parents today, the principal reminds parents that having a gun on school property is a felony, and students found with firearms can face expulsion, and that the district's search and safety team continues to conduct random searches at all middle schools. The principal also highlights the importance of the see something, say something that keeps schools safe. Live in North Charleston, Jesse Klinger, News 4.